What's up, guys? Hey, I am going to do my first somewhat dessert video for you. If you ever happen to visit cbsgrill.com, which is my website, you will find this under the desserts section. And again, like I said, this is my first dessert video. Kind of a dessert, kind of not really, but check it out. See what you think. This is my monster float. Let's do it. So, I've had some other plans of what I was gonna do, but my wife's been kind of on a jelly making kick. As you can see back here, making some fresh plum jelly, which is really good. And over there, we're gonna have some apricot jellies going here soon. And we're actually going to show you how to make some jellies soon. We're gonna do like some of our pepper jellies, which are incredibly good. And since things were kind of scattered around the kitchen, I decided to go with this. It was going to be a part of another series of adult style ice cream floats that I'm going to show you how to do. But just sit down and do a little something. I was feeling like I wasn't doing too much. I'm going to show you the monster float. And I'm going to do a couple different versions of it. That's why I only have a small glass, because I haven't had dinner yet and I don't want to be extremely bloated and full by the time I get to dinner. So, what you want to do is you want to get a green monster. And I always like vanilla bean ice cream. I went with a common brand across the country that you should be able to find. Got your Haagen-Dazs. Easy to find. Quality vanilla bean ice cream. So obviously we all know how to make ice cream floats, I do believe. Oh, they got a seal on this. For your protection. Child-proof seal, I guess. So, ice cream floats. My thing is, I don't want a ball of ice cream in there. I want a rough cut of ice cream so that it mixes well with whatever flavor that you're putting into it. So get yourself a rough scoop, not an ice cream scoop, but just a big spoon. Get yourself a rough scoop of ice cream. Put it in your cup. Some people like, and maybe another little dab too, so that way you really get the fuzzy, foamy ice cream stuff on top. Some people like to put their drink in first and then the ice cream. I like the ice cream in first because it gives you that weird foamy little layer on top that tastes really good. To me, maybe not to you. You do it however you want. Green monster. Pour a little bit over the top there like so. Was that easy or what? Now you got a green monster float. There's that fuzzy, foamy stuff on top. Make sure everything is cold. Obviously your ice cream is going to be frozen, but make sure your monster is cold. That way you get everything nice and cold right from the beginning. That is extremely good. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm going to take a break. I'm going to eat this. We're going to come back, show you a different version of it. How are you?
Good.
Yeah? This is my son, Jace. We got haircuts yesterday. Barbershops are open, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we were finally able to get our haircuts.
Yeah,
We were looking kind of like hippies, huh?
I guess.
Yeah? So anyway, have we had dinner yet?
Nope.
No. What do I always ask you about eating dinner, dessert before dinner?
No dessert before dinner.
What do I say though? How can you...
Oh,
You don't remember? How can you have any pudding if you don't eat your meat? You can't have any pudding if you don't eat your meat. Right?
yes.
All right. You weren't able to answer the pop quiz. You failed.
Oh,
Love you.
love you too.
Version number 2. Again, we have some Haagen-Dazs. Raspberry sorbet Haagen-Dazs with the green monster float. Now, again, get a big spoon. You don't wanna scoop. You want a rough cut. See, and I kind of chop it up a little bit so the drink mixes in really good with it. Now we're just gonna go a little bit. Like I said, you can fill the cup up as much as you want. But this is for sample purposes, and I haven't had my meat yet, so. Get you a little bit, pour it over the top there. This really isn't good presentation since I don't have it completely full, but your raspberry sorbet and a monster. Monster float number 2. And you can actually decorate this one up somewhat with some fresh fruit in there, maybe some blueberries, maybe some raspberries, maybe some blackberries, some kind of berry, strawberry, whatever berry you like. So, I know you guys probably think this is gross, but seriously, try it. Raspberry sorbet, green monster float. That's not bad at all. Little tart, little sweet, little energy, gives you a little energy. But check it out. I'm gonna finish this one off and I'm going to wing it on this next one. See how this turns out. I'll be right back. All right, total experiment. When I was getting ready to put this together and I grabbed my monster out of the refrigerator, I saw green apple Smirnoff ice sitting in the very back of my refrigerator, and I thought, all right, we can give that a shot. So I'm totally experimenting right now in front of you. I could spit this out, I don't know. Don't know if this has a shelf life on it or not. It's been in my refrigerator for quite a while. I don't buy these things. Someone came over, brought some of these, left them here. It's been there for a while, so let's give it a shot. And I figured, okay, green apple, raspberry, might be good. So we're gonna give us some scoops of the raspberry sorbet. We're gonna go a little bigger on this one. And because of the fact that it is now an alcoholic beverage incorporated, this can be found on cbsgrill.com under desserts category and under cocktails category. So let's see how it goes. Smirnoff Ice, are you my friend or no? I don't know if it has the fizz to it. Yeah, there's some fizz in it. So a cocktail for somebody again. Hold on, hold on. Whoa, blueberries. We'll toss some blueberries in there. These are from a local friend, regular blueberries, and these are pink lemonade blueberries, which are really good. I'm not gonna waste them on this in case this is nasty. I'm gonna eat those. Drop you some blueberries in there. Like so. Let's give this a shot. See what we think. Even got some blueberries with my first taste of ice cream. Huh. That's not bad. That's really not bad at all. So, okay, we got a new one right here as you watched. Raspberry sorbet, Haagen-Dazs. Sure, any would work fine. Maybe even do an orange, maybe do a rainbow. Possibly do lime. I don't know. Go with it. See what you got. That's the whole way I come up with most of my recipes. Raspberry sorbet, green apple Smirnoff Ice. Huh. That's not bad. I hadn't even tried them yet. They've been sitting in my refrigerator for at least a year. Natural apple flavor. And some blueberries thrown in there. You guys check it out. I appreciate you watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. So, thanks for watching. I'm gonna enjoy some more of this. Gotta try the drink itself. That's really stinking good, actually. Wow. Huh. Might have to share that with my wife when she gets home.